Hey guys, this is Tricks from Patrick Up Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a review of Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5. I've been using this balm for I think 8 months or 9 months. I can't really remember, but ever since I started on on Retin-A, I've been using this balm and it's been like a savior. Like, I really can't do without this in my skincare routine, and I recommend this for everyone who is just starting on acids and tends to go overboard. Someone like me, for instance, when I started using tretinoin, I was asked to use, I was on the web, I was recommended to get 0.025, I think. But I was like, you know what, I want to see the effect as soon as possible, so I went for 0.1%. I think after like a week of using this, my skin became so irritated, like anything I put on my skin would burn, like literally burn. Eventually I sought out a balm to use, and this was the cheapest one I could find. I got this for £10 on Amazon UK, and in fact this is just a lifesaver. Like I said, within like a week of using this, all my irritation cleared. I think it would have been a lot faster if I used it as morning and night, but I only use it at night because this tends to leave kind of like a white cast. Let me show you guys. It's a white cream. This is what it looks like, and it tends to leave a white cast. It doesn't really blend into the skin and disappear per se, which is why I don't use it during the daytime. Okay, here it looks like it blends in very well because I use little products, but let's face it, when my skin is very irritated, I tend to like apply enough quantity of product so as to get like maximum effect. So because of that, I only use it at night, and probably that is why I tend to see results after like 5 to 7 days thereabouts. But if you use this morning and night, you should see results a lot more faster. This balm contains panthenol 5% and madecassoside. I don't know how to pronounce that, madecassoside or something. This is what we call it's a, I can't remember what this is called. It's a herb. Is it a herb or a plant? Centella Asiatica. Yes, that is it. Centella Asiatica. And this is either Centella Asiatica or it is a derivative of Centella Asiatica. I can't really remember right now. I will edit this and clarify that. And instructions here says to apply twice daily to skin, like I said, but I only tend to apply it once daily, which is why I think I saw effects a lot slower. But either way, it still works effectively. So when this irritated my skin, La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5 came to the rescue. When I also used this on my neck like a month ago, I'm still using it on my neck, and my neck was irritated. It was peeling, it was red. I used this for like 3-4 days. Before I knew it, the irritation was gone. When I used this, I can't remember, yes, when I used this on my armpit, because this is the deodorant I use now. I used this on my armpit like twice daily. After like a week or so, my armpit became so irritated. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume to the rescue as well. I applied it every night, and before I knew it, my armpits were restored. I'll do a review of this sooner or later on how I use it as a deodorant. It's an amazing stuff as a deodorant. If you try this, you wouldn't have to use any other fake ass deodorant out there. Even when I tried this, which is the ordinary's AHA 30% and BHA 2%, which recommends you leave it on your skin for like 10 minutes. Once I left it for like 15 minutes, and my skin literally, in fact, it was very irritated to the extent that this is a red mask. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's red in color. The redness of this, because I left it on my skin for too long, it stayed on my skin, like it clung to my skin and just stayed there for like 2 days. That's showing you how long I left it. But either way, this came to the rescue and fixed everything. I really have nothing bad to say about this, aside from the fact that, you know, if you use too much product, it tends to leave kind of like a whitish purplish film on your skin. But from what I can see here, there seems to be no film. It blended right in. I think that's because I used little product. So I think I will start using little products during the daytime and see how I fare with that. So that's basically all I have to say about this product. You guys should really get into it. It's a bit expensive if you get it from other places, because I think I've seen this bottle is 100 mils. I've seen the 50 mils going for the same £10 thereabouts, but on Amazon I was able to get it directly shipped and sold and shipped by Amazon for the same £10, 15. Sometimes it gets up to like £12 thereabout, but before you know it, it comes back down to £10. So I'll leave a link in the description box below for those of you that want to get it. So I think in a nutshell, that is all I have to say about this product. It has been amazing. If you guys have any comments, do please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.